Go back.
Send your head.
Apan, Abinistan, Zoratan, Joran, Nondiara, Ote, Faed, Anapiana, Pajnik, Sam, Bofisi, Jehovah, Agla, the God of heaven and earth, by the power of the sea, Skin, Sky, Amphorage, in might, in power, and in wisdom, Spirit of the heavens and hell, ministering angels and spirit of the fourth element, the 7 planets, 7 seals, and 12 tables, yield obedience to me in service of the omnipotent, in knowledge of the highest mystery. Ade, Adonai, Elohim, Asa, Ha-Shamian, they act, Aris, Ehihi, Eli, Jah, Jehovah, Elohim, Tetragrammaton, Nkume, Nkume, Oke Nkume ebighị ebi, Nkume asatọ nsiri Mohammed Iso Autonomous Community, Lita, Oke Nkume, Lita, Kwadosh, Elohim, Izabot, Yodhi, Valhi, Zod, Agla, Es, Ehihi, Adonai, Sota, Emmanuel, Ehi, Tetragrammaton, Asta, Jehovah, Zebul, the Lord of hosts of the heaven and earth. I, Charles Chukwemeka Amanzi, the Royal High Prince, and the King of all spirits, by the virtue of the authority vested in me as a priesthood bearer in the order of the priesthood, and as the prince in the order of the priesthood. I stand in my office as the high prince and the Ezra-elect of Nsiri Mohammed Autonomous Community to open this ancient gate as was built and had been closed by our ancestors, who deem that we have erred and that their blessing will no longer flow into the community as expected. Today, we start as the sons and children of the land to redeem this land and to open this gate permanently for blessings and inflow of peace, harmony, and justice. I lift up my hand to the square, according to the order of the ancient mystery of all mysteries, the citation on all spirits, the spirit in the burning bush, element of Moses and Aaron and the healing by amulet, the spirit magical powerful art of Moses and Aaron and the ancient wise Hebrew, taken from the Mosaic book of the Kabbalah and the Talmud for the good of mankind. I stand according to the decree of the Father, which was decreed before the foundation of this world, to say that every opposition to the will of God in our lives, in our families, and in this land, we as the sons, we as the children of this land, hereby today, by our authority, nullify it. May the blessings of the Father flow. May the blessings of our ancestors flow like a river. May the blessings of this land manifest. May the sons and daughters of this land be a blessing and not a curse. This is our decree. So it should be. In the name of God the Father, in the name of God the Son, in the name of God the Holy Spirit. Worship, as soon as I call you, cross off the car. You go to the situation. May the gods of this land strengthen your shoulder. Every opposition that we ask why in your life for this ritual, let the land take him to 6 feet. I join my shoulder with you. I join my power with you. I join my authority with you. I join my strength with you. I join my wisdom with you. I join my defense with you. You say, let this hand never wither. I let strength be with you. As we liberate this land, you have been chosen to perform this work, and it shall not take you away. In the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of the Holy Spirit.
These lights.
Our time, boy.